going on YouTube? I recently came across a website that I heard about, and it actually pays you for the views when you actually post photos in the website itself. The website is called ClickASnap, and I kind of just want to talk about my experience with it thus far. And I paid for the Pro service, which is about $81. And let's go ahead and dive into this website. When I heard about it, I heard that you can make pennies while they actually view your photos. And so when I first started doing it, I uploaded a few pictures, gone to my account. And so this is my ClickASnap account. And I started uploading about maybe 10 photos way back when. And the first day, I was kind of a bit of anxious. I wanted to see how it worked and if I'm going to make some money right away. And I was a bit confused in the beginning because I would see people actually looking at it. There's this like icon that looks like glasses. There's a heart. There's a comment box, and there are these like coins stacked together. And I noticed these coins started stacking up. And so I didn't really read the actual details into the website. I was just really curious in how this website works. I waited for the first night, and I noticed these numbers started going up, and random followers started following me and commenting. And so that kind of increased. Then the next day, I noticed it wasn't much action as well. As I was hoping that when I wake up the next day, I would see some type of gain. I didn't have any gain that second day, but on the third day, I noticed like some of these photos started getting pennies here. As you notice, there's and this first photo I've posted, there's 4 cents now, but it was like 1 cent before that. And then I saw these numbers like the 10, and the views started increasing. Those kind of gave me a little bit of motivation to keep posting. And as I realized, got more experience into the website, noticed that people are actually just randomly commenting, and sometimes they're asking to follow back, or they do comment, but they kind of expect you to follow them back and comment under photos. You know, I did that a couple of times to see how it works. And then I found a group in Facebook that actually you can share some of your photos. And I tried it one time, and it seemed to have a good traction. And then I was able to gain some views and some few cents out of it. And I realized from other users that you really gotta constantly post photos on this website. And if you don't keep up with it, it's really going to just stay stagnant, and you're not going to get any money. And thus far, it's been a month, and I try as much as I can to post at least 1 photo a day. Kind of very difficult for me because of work. Ideally, if I do have time and if I have a lot of photos, I would post it up. And I've noticed a lot of users have already posted hundreds and hundreds of photos, and they seem to be making some money. In some of the groups, they've said they made like, $15 here or a few dollars there. And, that's kind of encouraging. But I don't see it as a get rich type of website. I see a huge value to this, as in the search engine itself, when you type your name under Google, you can actually see some of these things being indexed already, so which is kind of cool. So if you're trying to brand your name as like, myself as a photographer, things like that will start popping up in Google, and that way it indexes some of your pro photos that you posted up there. So it's quite neat. Even though I paid $81 initially, I probably might not extend that second year, depending if I actually get motivated to even post even more photos behind this project, which I highly doubt. But from what I hear from the community, the audience and the user level is growing, and so it seems like potential for it to grow has momentum. Now, it's just a question of, do I want to spend more hours on my time posting? Possibly, if I had all that time to do it, but I don't. So which ultimately, might not be the best model for me, because it's not gaining enough traction for me. So it might be a loss on financial side on my end, but there is some benefits to this website. If down the road, if for some reason I am not working, then I will post more photos and possibly engage more. And I know that things like this do take time, just like anything, just like building a YouTube page, just like building an Instagram page. This also has to take some time and age. So let's look at some of the numbers that I've got. And recently I posted something 10 hours ago, and I got 2 views, one heart, and 1 comment, and 1 stack of coins. No money from that. And so as I look at the previous photos, the one that made some type of earning was this one called Cyberpunk Laundry, and I made a penny out of that, and I posted that a week ago. It's not bad. I mean, it is encouraging that you'll see like 5 cents here, 4 cents there. I mean, compound it throughout certain time, I'm sure you probably get a certain amount. They do pay out after $15 or something like that. I'm going to keep track of this. I mean, I have the whole year subscription. If this thing grows even further as far as the user and the engagement, then I will do another video and share with you. But for now, I just want to give you kind of my perspective on it. The bottom line, I think it's a pretty cool website that it actually can pay you, even though I paid forward. And if you really work on it, then there is a value. Other upside to this thing is upload a photo. And once you upload a photo, so saying you upload a photo, you know, they ask you to be as descriptive as possible, because a lot of these words are searchable. Have keywords that can target that. And for instance, if I was to post this, I would definitely have like gas mask, something like that, gas mask model, or, you know, something that's relatable to the image itself. And as far as the description, I could probably go even further. Shooting on green screen with gas mask. And then here are the tags behind that. You could probably put gas mask, green screen, model. You know, you can go further in details as what you want to do. And there's a possibilities of getting searched in Google or a lot of these search engines. And then they have these drop downs that you can select what type of photos is it. And then after that, you can just click confirm, and then it'll upload it, and it gets added to your uploads. And then you have this gallery full of photos that you uploaded. So this is how far I've been through ClickASnap. A month into it, I've made roughly possibly 50 to 60 cents through some of the photos I've posted in the site. I'm very selective in my photos. I try to choose the best ones, and I don't have, you know, hundreds of thousands of photos, so I just randomly post up. I want to make sure these are good quality photos that are impactful. For instance, you know, like that, you know, like that, you know, that. If you do decide to pay for that pro level, make sure you spend the hours and the time posting more photos. They do have a basic level, but there's only certain amounts that you can reach for this stuff to be pushed out there. Once again, this is kind of like my general thoughts and feelings and review of ClickASnap. Hope this helps. I'll see you on the next video. Make sure to click that like and subscribe. Peace.